Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the low brightness issue. Still, it's happening or not in the Poco F3 device. As you can see, friends, right now I'm using the Poco F3 smartphone, and a lot of users they did ask me that the low brightness issues did it got fixed in this Poco F3 or not. So what's going on with that? So as I said, I already did a couple of videos on that. I think a couple of weeks back. So after a long time, I'm trying to do the same kind of testing in this video. So one thing is that I'll try to use the 120 Hz refresh rate, and I'll try to use maybe 80% or 90% of the brightness, and then I'll try to test. Otherwise, I'll try to use full brightness. So I'll try to stick with the full brightness and I'll try to test it. So let's see, friends. Right now, for the video purpose, I'm trying to keep the brightness a little bit kind of low, but I'll try to use with the full brightness and I'll try to play the game PUBG game. So PUBG I'm trying to play, and right now you can see the temperature is of 35 degrees at the moment, you can see. So we'll get to know after how much temperature so the phone brightness actually is decreasing. So right now in the brightness level, as you can see, there is no automatic turned on, everything is turned off. So let's see, friends, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me regularly for this kind of frequent updates on what's happening on this Poco F3 device as well. So let's see, let me try to open the PUBG game, PUBG Mobile. So it is a PUBG Mobile which I'm trying to play. So I'll try to play the game for about maybe 10-15 minutes. So let me try to start the stopwatch as well, in case if you want to know. So it is a stopwatch which is ready. So let me try to select the stopwatch and let me try to start the game, and then I'll try to press the stopwatch. So instead of PUBG game, let me try to play the Genshin Impact game. So just Genshin Impact might utilize more CPU and the more GPU, and this might be helpful in terms of testing the low brightness issue, whether it's happening in this Poco F3 phone or not. As you can see, friends, the Poco F3 has got the very good processor Snapdragon 870 chipset, but only drawback is that the phone brightness automatically decreases. So once the phone reaches a certain amount of temperature or certain amount of time, so that is what happening with this Poco F3 phone for the past couple of weeks. So from the beginning to till now, same kind of problem has been happened, friends, and let's see after the frequent updates whether this problem got fixed or not in this Poco F3 device. As you can see, friends, right now the game has been started, and let me try to show you what graphic settings I'm using, so in case if you want to know. So as you can see, everything I set to the maximum and 60 FPS as well. So I'm trying to use the maximum CPU and the GPU performance as well, and during this time I was able to get results very good, consistent, about 60 FPS, as you can clearly see here, 63 FPS, 61 FPS, and the temperature right now it is 40 degrees, as you can see, friends, 40 degrees of temperature, and it is a stopwatch. As I said, I'll try to play the game for about 10 minutes and with the full brightness. So again, I'll be trying to I'll be back after 10 minutes of playing this game with the full brightness, so then later you can identify the difference what's going on. So right now, because of this lighting conditions, so very soon I'll try to fix the lighting conditions in my studio room. So this with the full brightness, friends, so you might be able to see the difference here. So later on, after 10 minutes of playing this game, so then if the brightness decreases, you might be able to notice the difference. So right now this is what it looks like. So few of the options you cannot even read. When the brightness decreases to low, then you might be able to read. So this is what I'm expecting. After some time the brightness might come till here 50%, it might decrease. So let's see, friends. So right now it's staying at the 100% of brightness. So again, I'll be back after 10 minutes of playing this game, and meanwhile the temperature start to increase from 35 degrees to 41 degrees. So slowly it's trying to increase one by one. So again, I'll be back after 10 minutes of playing the game. As you can see, friends, after playing the Genshin Impact game for about more than 10 minutes, so right now it's close to 12 minutes of playing the game, and I can see there's a decrease in the brightness. If you are noticed, as you can see, friends, right now you are able to see everything perfectly and clear. So before it was not that clear. I mean, because of my studio lighting conditions, you won't be able to see like this, but right now with the full brightness, as you can see, friends, you are able to see the text and read everything. So here it says full brightness, but actually it's not full brightness. So still the problem is happening. So maybe after giving for certain time, or maybe after increasing the temperature, when the temperature increases more than 45 degrees or something like that, there's a mechanism to decrease the screen brightness automatically. So 47, 48 degrees right now, as you can see friends. 48 degrees it's pointing at right now. So maybe that is what causing the problem of decreasing the screen brightness. I'm guessing so. So 45 degrees. So there can be another explanation that the reason why we are seeing now in this Poco F3, because the Poco F3 has got the Samsung's E4 OLED type technology, so which they are trying to use in this Poco F3, Redmi K40 and other series Samsung E4 panel. So maybe that was a thing which I'm guessing, so that was a reason why it might be happening in this phone. So apart from that, I could not able to figure out why it's happening. And the display also started to get a lot of heat. So much of high temperature is going on friends around the display. Definitely your thumb will get hurt if you're playing the game for long time usage. So that's another thing. So right now the temperature is about 45, 40 degrees, 46, 48 degrees. So the maximum I saw about 48 degrees at the moment while playing Genshin Impact. So that's it friends. This is a quick review on this Poco F3's low brightness issue, and for more details make sure to subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru, and thank you for watching and see you in the next video friends. And as you can see, the lag, it's there is no lag. I cannot notice much lag, so not much. So I'll try to talk about the lag and everything in another video. So this video is only focused on low brightness issue, and the low brightness issue has not been solved yet in this Poco F3. So still waiting for the another update. Maybe that might be able to fix the problem which is happening in this phone. So let's see friends, and thank you for watching and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.